SolidCam 3D. Today in our tutorial drawing we are going to create this very beautiful drill bit in which we are going to use different types of pawn. So let's start our drawing. Click part, click OK. Then go to the front plane, sketch. First we have to draw a circle. Choose smart dimensions. Give the dimension 7.5. Click OK. Now go to the extrude boss base. Give the total dimension of 110 around 110. Click OK. Now choose this face, sketch and convert entities this circle in order to draw helix. Then exit the sketch, go to the features, helix and spiral, in which we are going to use first pitch and revolutions. First we are going to give the total pitch around 75. As you can see, this is moving onward. You can also give this 80. Sorry, you can also give them 80. Number of revolution 1, total 180 degrees. All dimension are same. Click OK. First, then we have to choose the top plane, normal and sketch. First we are going to select the tangent arc. First we have to choose this portion, convert entities, then choose tangent arc. Draw in tangent arc. Click OK. Now select this tangent arc and this helix point and give the relation tangent. Click OK. Now we have to create a circle in order to extrude cut this. First exit this, then sketch, then draw a circle. Smart dimension, give the total dimension 6.2. click OK. Now we have to extrude, we have to swift cut this. For this, first exit the sketch, go to the swift cut. First sketch profile is selected, then path, we have to give this path. Now click OK. Now we have to create another path on the other side. First, then we have to go to the linear sketch pattern in circular pattern. We have to give the other path. First we have to select this whole body. Then as we can see this, the path is created. Click OK. Now we have to hide this portion and also hide this portion. Click OK. Now we have to select the top plane, normal, sketch. First we have to draw a center line. First we have to draw a center line. As downward side also. Then we have to create a pattern. In order to give a tip of this drill bit. Then choose the smart dimension. Give the total angle of 60. Click OK. Now exit the sketch and go to the revolved cut and give this path axis of revolution. Click OK. Now as you can see this, the tip of this drill bit has been created. Now we have to chamfer this upper portion. For this, click on chamfer, set the dimension is 1 mm and 45 degree. Click this portion, click OK. Now as you can see, this our drill bit is completely ready. Now I am going to add some sort of color. We have choose cast iron. So this drill bit has been ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel SolidCam 3D. We will meet next time.